Hello you guys, hi, this is Weltha. Okay you guys, so today I'm about to make a healthy snack. So I just wanted to show you guys one of my healthy snacks that I like to make during the day when I'm at home and I'm not working. I like to eat camel lights sometimes. So here's one of my favorite healthy snacks. Okay, so it's gonna be some tuna. So it's the hot buffalo tuna, so it's spicy. And then I'm gonna have the seaweed with it, okay? And I'm show you guys how I eat it right now. Fast video, but you get a lot from this video. You get a healthy snack ideal. A healthy snack ideal, okay? All right, so come on. Let me show you what I do, okay? All right, so what I do, you guys, is, let's see, do I need a, all right, so let's put this to the side. I'm gonna get my plate, and then get the tuna. Okay, first we're gonna open up the seaweed, okay, and I'm gonna put them down like that. Actually, I need another plate, so hold on you guys. Let me get another plate. Okay. I need a bigger plate. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna double mine because I'm really hungry today, so I'm gonna double my seaweed. I'm just putting 2 sheets of the seaweed down, you guys. All right. Okay. And all you do, that spicy tuna on top, you guys. And whatever else you want to put on top of yours, you can, like me, most likely sometimes I put hot sauce on top, which is what I'm gonna do. Or you could just eat it like this. Or spicy mayo. You can use spicy mayo. That would be good also. Okay. A little more. I'm gonna use that whole pack of tuna. This is so good, you guys. If you haven't tried this, try it. And thank me later. Okay. And make it look presentable also. So this is one of my healthy snacks, you guys. It's so delicious. You gotta try this. Okay. And then if you want some hot sauce, where's my hot sauce? And if you want some hot sauce, you guys, so I'm gonna use my Louisiana hot sauce. I'll put a tad bit on there. Oh, this is so good. And that's it, you guys. You have a healthy snack. Okay? So let's put this for the, okay. And there you have it. You have a healthy snack. Look at that. Ooh, does that look good? You could put rice on it too, you guys. All right, there you have it. You have a healthy snack. there you have it. You have a healthy, delicious snack. Okay, and it's with the tuna, spicy tuna, the spicy buffalo tuna, and some seaweed. Simple ingredients, but a very tasty snack, you guys, and a healthy snack. So if you're looking for some healthy options for your diet, here is a healthy diet snack. Okay, so there you have it. You have a healthy snack. Okay, look at that. Ooh, looks so delicious. Are you guys gonna try it? Okay. All right, you guys. Okay, that's it. That's my fast, quick video for you guys. All right. So thanks for watching. Thanks for coming by, checking out my channel, and please check out more of my videos. So don't just check out this one. Check out the other ones also, because I have plenty of delicious recipes on my channel. So please check them out, and I thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Okay, but please don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. And thanks for watching. Bye bye, you guys. Okay guys, and here's a tip for you. So if you like your seaweed crunchy like I do, you might want to just add your tuna on it as you go. So for each bite, add your tuna then, and don't let it sit on there for a while because it will get soft, okay? A delicious snack. Delicious and healthy, you guys.